Welcome, I'm Tracy Drake and this is Standing Qigong, and today we'll be practicing with numbers 6 and 8 of the 8 brocades. So brocade number 6 and number 8. And we will actually start off with the last one, number 8 first, which is jolting the spine 7 times to prevent 100 illnesses. We will actually be jolting it more than 7 times, but it's actually quite a nice practice. So finding your basic standing posture, you may need something to hold on to support you here if your balance is a little off. So starting off with a little bit of softness behind the knees, settling the weight down into the feet. The cat's going to join in, that's okay. And all that happens is that we come up on our tippy toes and then we drop the heels down towards the floor. Up onto our tippy toes, drop the heels down. Now this can be as heavy or as light as you like. Obviously the heavier you drop the heels, the more of a jolt that you get through the spine. Keeping that softness behind the knees will help you balance. And if you need to hold on to something or the wall, go right ahead. Maybe place your hands on your hips as well. Doesn't really matter. The breathing is spontaneous, so just breathe wherever it makes sense for you. Just make sure you do breathe. Good. And a couple more times, just feeling that jolt through the whole body as you drop the heels. Good. Nice, letting that movement subside. Our next movement is simply holding on to the feet. Now, if you have a sensitive lower back or you're not able to come forward and drop your head below your heart for any reason, then maybe sit down, okay? So sit on something. You won't have the same stretch in the legs, but you will feel some stretch in the back body. We just come forwards and place the hands under the feet. So we literally have our hands under the feet, dropping the crown of the head and breathing, taking a few nice deep breaths here, and feeling a whole big stretch through the body. Obviously, if you're seated, maybe only feeling this through the arms and the back body, not in the legs, but still some nice benefits here. I like to really push the feet down into the hands and then try and pick the hands up, and that gives a nice stretch through both arms and through the shoulder blades as well. I'm keeping my head a little bit lifted here so I don't interfere in my microphone, but please drop the crown of your head so that you feel that nice lengthening in the back of the neck. Taking a couple more breaths here, exploring lengthening the legs. And then when you've had enough, release your hands, roll back up, let sensations settle, and find your basic standing posture. Notice how you feel. Beautiful. Thank you for joining me. Hope to see you again soon. Take care.